Hello, welcome to the ServiceMonster Quick Start Guide. In this 3-part video series, we will cover how to create an order, schedule an appointment, and create an invoice. Let's create an invoice to complete an order. Completing an order is something you can do from a few different places within ServiceMonster. First, you can access the completion wizard on the mobile app by clicking on an appointment on the schedule, or from the home page. Click on the Complete button on the right and follow the steps of the completion wizard. Please note, the completion wizard on the mobile app is designed more for technicians and cannot update appointments or assign commissions, but it can collect an electronic signature. From ServiceMonster Desktop, go to Orders, and within Order List, you can select any order and click on the green Complete button to open up the completion wizard. From the schedule itself, click on an appointment, and in the sidebar, you will see all the appointment details. Click on the Completion Wizard button to open the completion wizard. Now, from the completion wizard window, you first want to make any final edits to the order. Then click Save as Invoice to turn the order into an invoice. Then hit OK, and the invoice will turn red to indicate this is the final step and you can no longer make edits. Next, move down to the Apply Payments tab. If you have a connection set up with Authorize.net or Stripe, you can run any credit cards here in the system. Otherwise, you can collect your payment however you usually would. Select your payment type from the drop-down or add your own options. You can also add a reference number or a memo and adjust the total amount due. When you click Save Payment, the payment will be applied. Under the Update Appointments tab, you can add and adjust the time logs for your team. These time logs are created when your team members check in and check out of appointments from the ServiceMonster mobile app. After completing the adjustments you want, click Save Appointments. Under the Assign Commissions tab, you can edit, create, or delete commissions for your team members. Under the Email Invoice tab, we have a PDF invoice attachment ready to be emailed. Click on Load Template and select the email template you want to use and add any additional attachments. Click Send when you're ready, then Done in the lower right to close the window. Great job! Your order is now complete. The invoice will now be marked as paid, and you can no longer void the order because a payment has been processed. To print your invoice, simply select your print style from the drop-down, and then click the Print button. A window will open where you can preview, and then hit the Print button. If you need to go back to fix a mistake, simply turn the invoice back into a work order, fix the mistake, and repeat the completion wizard process. From the order list, the green dot also indicates that the invoice is paid. I hope this Quick Start guide has been helpful. Please check out our help site for more information, and don't hesitate to contact our friendly support team if you have any further questions. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!